Hello, this is Adam Kavadi. I'm the creator of IDEC. I just wanted to take a minute to talk about URL shortening and actually in specific 301 redirects. So what IDEC.net does is it takes long URLs and it shortens them down pretty quick. That's a really powerful thing for something like Twitter where space is at a premium, or say mobile text messages, things like that. But the big question is, how do we get from that short URL to the longer one that you actually want to get them to? And what we do is we send something called a 301 redirect, and that's a very technical term, but what it means is we send a specific code, which is 301, to the browser, and it tells them to go to the new URL. It's very fast, but and actually it's one thing that not all URL shorteners do. Some of them actually go to a page that does a refresh, and some of them use 302 redirects. And the big difference between a 301 and a 302 is that 301 means permanent, where 302 means temporary. And now the big difference there comes in with things like SEO, search engine optimization. With a 301 redirect, we're actually telling search engines like Google that they should ignore IDEC.net and count the link actually from the originating page to the destination page. So if you have a link on website 1 and it goes to your site, any of that magic link juice that website 1 would be giving to your site will still be there if you use an IDEC.net link to get from the originating site to your site. So it's very powerful in that way. So it's quick and easy, but you don't lose any of that web analytics or that search engine optimization power that you would be getting otherwise. Just so you can see real quick, we got a quick example here, so you can see that what it kind of looks like is what happens is all these pages, anything that comes in, will automatically go towards, and imagine this right here is IDEC, and it bounces off and goes to that new URL. And that really does push the analytics when everyone's looking, so Google, Yahoo, whatever, they don't really look at IDEC, they don't consider it in any way, so it doesn't really affect any of those rankings or anything like that. Always remember that also along with these things you do get quick overview summary statistics that show you what's going on with the URLs that you create, the IDEC URLs, and you can always dig in with these as well to get more data about when people were clicking and why. So here you can see that there was, this was done on a Friday and there was a lot of uptake on that. And you can also look at viral effect to see what other URL shorteners are being used to tweet this information out there. So this is very valuable. You can also see the actual URL itself and how often that's tweeted. So this gives you a lot more insight into how a URL is used. Well, I'm Adam Kavadi, and I hope you found that useful. If you have any other questions, you can always direct message me at IDEC or on Twitter as Kavadi, C-O-V-A-T-I. Thank you very much.